Excuse me. Um, you have like a big ant problem next to your machine. Like I would like look at it. It's getting like it looks really bad. I just didn't want it to get like really bad, like get anyone's soda or anything, you know. Um,
You can take bottle.
I'm sorry?
You can take bottle drink.
A bottle drink? No, I mean, like, I'm saying you should, like, try to clear it out as soon as possible, because it does look like it's getting really bad. So if I were you, I'd, like, take a good look at it. But no, I'm fine. I don't need a bottle of soda or anything. I'll just let you know.
Sorry.